Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate x cubed times e to the x using something called tabular integration. So in tabular integration, this will work when basically one of the factors of your integrand is eventually zero after repeated differentiation, and the other factor you have to be able to integrate it. So in this particular case, you notice that x cubed after repeated differentiation is eventually zero, and we can integrate e to the x. So tabular is a viable solution technique for this problem. So let's do it. First step is we write down the x cubed and we write down e to the x. And this is the term we're going to differentiate because eventually it will be zero after repeated differentiation. So taking the derivative here, we simply use the power rule, right? You bring down the 3, subtract 1 from the exponent, so 3x squared. Let's do it again. 2 times 3 is 6, so 6x to the first. Derivative of 6x is 6. Derivative of 6 is 0, and we stop. So basically take the term that after repeated differentiation is eventually 0, and we differentiate it until we get 0. Then we just keep integrating this, which is very easy. The integral of e to the x is e to the x, so we get e to the x, e to the x, e to the x, e to the x. And you put a plus, a minus, a plus, a minus, a plus. Always start with plus, then you draw arrows, and then you basically multiply and you're done. So the final answer is going to be, we're going to write down the integral again. The integral of x cubed times e to the x dx is equal to x cubed times e to the x minus 3x squared times e to the x plus 6x e to the x minus 6 e to the x plus our arbitrary constant of integration. And that is the final answer. Let's just double check. X cubed e to the x minus 3x squared e to the x, 6x e to the x minus 6 e to the x plus our constant of integration, capital C. Take care.